Hello everyone.
Yes. What are you going to show today?
Uh, I want to show this.
Okay. What is this?
First, let's put this on this.
Okay.
And now you see this thing,
Sure.
this potion.
Okay. Is it a magic potion?
Nope, not a magic potion.
Then?
Well, I don't know what it is.
But I think you have created a new light, new color. Can you explain, Saransh?
So I got some water and put some red food coloring and yellow food coloring that gave me orange. They gave me the orange mixture like of water. Then I put it all in this beaker.
Okay.
Then I got this bowl here.
Mm-hmm.
I put it over because because I wanted to make a lamp. It would not fit like this. So I put this over and put this like this, and now I have my lamp right here.
Very good. Say thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Saransh, you also want to say thank?
Hi, thank you, bye.